I-SABC ibone kunefuneko yokwanelisa isibalo esikhula mihla namalanga sababukeli ngokwandisa indaba ngamalimi wonke wesintu ekundleni ye-DTT naku-App ye-SABCPlus. Ukunaba ngendaba le sikhulumisana nesiKhulu esengamele indaba ezirhunyeziweko nezinabileko kwa-SABC u-UMoshoeshoe Monare.
Millions of South Africans depend on us as the source of news. And we're talking about more than 10 million people who every single day, they look forward to news in their own languages. And unfortunately, because at the moment, we only offer those news content bulletins on the free-to-air entertainment channels. So they can only accommodate us in less than 30 minutes of Zulu news, about 15 minutes of Swati news. So what this channel is going to do is that every single day is going to give South Africans who are making an appointment with us every day to watch their bulletins in their own languages. Now it's going to be every day, every hour. It's going to be a 24-hour news channel, which will be on our digital platform. Our digital platform, that is DTT. By the way, DTT is going to be free-to-air terrestrial platform, but the quality of the content is going to be so super high. It's going to be better than your platform, but also it's going to be on SABCPlus.